When looking for an attractive and functional electric vehicle, the 2025 BYD Atto stands out. The cutting-edge technology, sleek style, and remarkable gas mileage of this model are sure to leave an impression. Its efficient electric motor is the backbone of its performance, guaranteeing silky acceleration and pinpoint control. The Atto3's smart battery is built to last and is simple to operate, but its fast-charging feature is a huge time saver that improves the ride quality and makes it more enjoyable to drive. The Atto3's regenerative braking system is a standout feature because it increases the vehicle's economy and range. The Atto3's ability to partially recharge the battery when braking adds to its efficient operation, making it a great choice for both shorter commutes and longer trips. The 2025 BYD Atto3 exemplifies the seamless integration of contemporary style and practicality in design. A reflection of its cutting-edge technology, its front fascia is defined by a modern, streamlined appearance. The headlamp's placement in relation to specific parts of the front grille gives the car a subtle, modest look that highlights its sleek shape. Even if the grille on the Atto3 is more for show than function, it doesn't hurt that the electric vehicle looks better with it. Aesthetically and practically, you can't go wrong with the addition of contemporary LED headlights. These headlights enhance the vehicle's visibility at night and give it a more refined look. The Atto3's dynamic and aerodynamic form, which accentuates the front design, gives the impression of speed and efficiency. Its futuristic appearance is distinguished from that of traditional cars by its slim profile, sloping roof, and smooth A-pillars. The squared-off back of the Atto3 is brought to light by its slick LED taillights, which add to its overall contemporary look. From a performance standpoint, the 2025 BYD Atto3 is designed to offer a harmonious and pleasurable ride. With its remarkable 250 horsepower, the electric motor of the car allows for lightning-fast acceleration. Everyday driving and more challenging traffic scenarios both benefit from this level of strength. The Atto3 is great for a wide range of driving situations because to its rapid acceleration and reliable handling, which provide a fun and enjoyable ride.